All right, welcome freelancers. Thank you for taking the opportunity to bid on my Android app that I would like built. Right now, I currently have an iOS app, and I'm just looking to get a simple Android app built. And I figured it would just be easier just to show you through video what this app should do and how it should operate and look. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my app. And all this is just a simple web view. This is just displaying a web page. And as you can see, it fills up the whole screen. Now, this web page should be customizable. So in here, I'm going to take you to a setting. You'll notice that I'll touch the top right corner and the bottom right corner, and this is going to bring up a hidden menu. So I'd like to have the same thing. And here you can see there's a timer that starts, and that's going to basically just close out this and take us back to the main page, just in case someone would walk away and leave this up. You'll see a couple options. We don't need the screensaver. We only need the first two options. So here, this displays the web page that is being displayed in the view behind it. I do not want that shown. However, I do want that to always be the default URL. But when they press update URL, so if they would change that to, let's just change it to Google. And if they would press update URL, you'll notice they get a message saying that it's updated successfully. And now if they actually close this out, you'll see it took them to Google. We'll go back into the configuration screen. There's another timeout. This is customizable, so they can put in how many seconds before it times out. Not to be confused with this timeout. This is a completely separate timeout. This timeout would be if the screen has not been touched within that amount of time, it'll refresh this page. Okay, so very simple app. It's just a web view with a 2-button hidden click, which brings up a configuration that will automatically close after 60 seconds, but it gives them the option to update the URL. And then also set the timeout. The timeout is, again, if they have not touched the screen, not when they're in this configuration, but if they're right here and they haven't touched the screen. So let's say I touch the screen, that now resets the timer. And then if I touch the screen again, it keeps resetting the timer. So in Android, the same thing needs to happen. And there is one other setting. And you'll see here it says reset congregations, and what this will do is actually delete any cookies that this web form has, and then refresh the URL. Alright, so if you have any more questions, please feel free to chat me up on Freelancers. Otherwise, thank you so much, and we hope you win this bid.